Dziękuję. I ostatnia piosenka nazywa się Hallelujah. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lead, a broken king composing Hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but it needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you up to the kitchen chair, she broke your throne, and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the Hallelujah. 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 And maybe I've been here before. I've seen this room when I walk this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your face on a marble arch, but love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. And maybe there's a God above, but what I ever learned from love is how to shoot somebody who outgrew you. And it's not a cry that we hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. It's a call and it's a broken Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.